Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that respect goat and sweep the dust with it because it's the animal of paradise. So this shows, and from this it is clear that the importance of goat, and in this lecture we will discuss goat farming. So what is goat farming? So goat farming is the rearing of goats for milk, meat and fiber production. Goat farming has become a profitable business and it has multifunctional utility, that is milk, meat, fiber and manure production, etc. Goat meat is very tasty, nutritious and healthy. Goat skin is also used in leather industry, and it requires a very low investment. Now we come to the advantages of goat farming. So goats need small area, and goats are friendly in nature and very lovable. Goat breeders, and they goat are good breeders, and they reach sexual maturity soon, age 7 to 12 months of age, and give birth of kids within a short time, up to 5 months. And some goats produce numerous kids for kidding. Low risks, and both male-female goats have almost same price. Goat meat and milk are cholesterol free and easily digestible. Goat milk is used for making various types of foods. Goat milk is used for asthma, cough and diabetes patients. Goat milk contains vitamin B complex 2, and goat manure is 2.5 times richer in nitrogen and phosphoric acid than cow manure. So this is about the advantages of goat milk. And now we come to the business idea of goat farming. So is it a good idea of goat farming? So goat farming has been viewed as a highly profitable business, but proper goat farming plan is very essential. Less amount of capital and investment is needed. As a result, the business ends up in getting higher profits as compared to other livestock farming business. Now we have some steps to start goat farming business. So the first thing is very important, that is goat farming business plan. The plan is very important for before starting goat farming. Selection of area. In this selected area that has all the required facilities, which includes good source of fresh and clean water supply, availability of all types of equipments, easily available food source, fertile field for crops and grasses, full-time labor and availability. Feeding green food is economical. Good transportation and veterinary services. Market should be near to the farmland. Now we come to the goat breeds. So there are more than 300 goat breeds. KPK breed Damani, Punjabi Beetle, Teddy, Kadli, etc. Sindh Kamuri, Pateri, Kachan, and Balochistan Balochi, Gilgit Baltistan, Baltistani. These are some breeds for goat farming. For a profitable goat farming, there should be 3 kidding per 2 years. Large size and faster growth rate goats should be used. Some breeds for dairy and some for meat purpose are raised. Housing, so there are mainly two housing system: overground and overpole. Overground means on the ground, and overpole the farm is 1 to 1.5 meter above from the earth. Small scale farmers generally keep their goats with their other livestock animals, but for commercial production, a good quality goat housing system is highly recommended for better production. A good house not only gives shelter and protects the goat from predators, but also prevents them from various types of goat diseases. Always keep the house neat and clean and dry. We should make proper ventilation and drainage system inside the house. Also ensure the availability of sufficient air and light inside the house. Housing and goat farm design are of various types according to the production type and breed. Now we come to the marketing. So meat and milk has a huge local and global demand and popularity. Almost all types of people like goat milk and meat. So a good market is already available in every place of the world. We can easily sell our products in nearest market. Commercial producers can target the international market and export the products in foreign countries. Now we come to the feeding. So feeding, the classification of goat feed is divided into three types, that is refuges, grainy feed, goat feed, additives. Refuges are grasses, maize, cabbage, mango and guava leaf. Grainy feed, pulse, wheat, maize, rice, gram pea, potato, etc. Goat feed additives mix vitamins, minerals in the grainy feed. Usually goats prefer to eat grasses, plants, shrubs, weeds and herbs, and besides these feeds, goat also need energy, vitamins, fiber and water for proper growth and for making better profits from their business. Now we come to the care and management. We should never feed contaminated food and polluted water. Keep their house as much neat and clean as possible. For commercial production, keep kids, bugs and bees separated from each other. Take extra care to the breeding bugs, kids and pregnant bees. Keep the kids with their mother for several weeks after their birth. Keep pregnant goats separated from others. Clip hairs around the other hindquarters and tail for greater cleanliness. Vaccinate them timely for keeping them free from all types of disease and health problems. If possible, stock some vaccines and medicines and keep good relation with a veterinary doctor. Now there are some diseases of goats. So CCPP, contagious canine pneumonia, PPR, Pistis, hepatitis, ruminants, anthrax, black water, foot rot, brucellosis, E. coli, babesiosis, contagious eczema, salmonellosis, and goat pox. These are some diseases of goats. So that's all about goat farming.